If you think it's okay to celebrate the demise of someone on the world stage, take a walk with me. This week, a man of God was violently taken away from his wife and 2 children right in front of them. Almost instantaneously, we were shown this online as a collective, and it sent a shockwave throughout the entire world. A collective mourning of a man that none of us knew personally began. Many didn't follow his content, but they knew who he was. For many others, this was their first introduction to Charlie Kirk, and it sent them down a rabbit hole to try to understand why somebody would want to do this. To a man who had the courage to speak about his commitment to his faith, his family, and his purpose. His speech was often sharp and powerful, as you would expect from someone who was self-educated and dedicated to learning each and every day. If you watch the clips in the videos of him interacting with other people, especially on college campuses, you'll begin to see that he tried to help people understand their own thought process and why they believe the things that they do. He recognized that it takes bravery and courage to step up to a microphone and to share your ideas with other people, especially in front of large crowds, which is what the college experience is all about. Your ideas are supposed to be tested by your peers. This allows you to better hone your ideas and shape your thoughts in a way that are going to be more constructive and orient you in the direction that you really want and need to be going for yourself. And if he changed your mind, turned your heart, or earned your respect in that process, that was a win. For many people today, it's really scary to interact with someone who knows who they are. They know where they're going, they know what they're doing, and they know the why behind why they're doing it. Especially when you might not know those things yet for yourself. And just like all of us, he had many different sides to him. He was a family man. And when you see him interact with his kids and other children in the way that he did, you could see the love and the light that was pouring out of him and just how happy he was to be with them. It's in those moments where you can truly see the goodness in the heart of the man. He also took the stage of many other events where he would be speaking in public, and it seemed as though he was being used, that he was a vessel for something greater. It was to invite people to reconnect with the principles of the Bible, to be renewed in their relationship with Christ. He succeeded at this not only in life, but in his passing, it's become 10 times greater. I was at Barnes & Noble yesterday, and you can't help but overhear conversations as you're looking at different books. I watched a mother and her young daughter select a Bible for the first time, and an old man and his wife do the same. Many people online are absolutely stunned at the impact that this has had on them as individuals from a man that they never knew personally. And it's because you know at a core fundamental level that his fruits were good. God is pouring out his godly sorrow and inviting you back into relationship with him. You're being called to unmute yourself and to be like salt and light. Both salt and light have the power to change their environment. And when you unmute yourself, you will be rejected. Rejected by those who lack capacity and don't have the eyes to see or the ears to hear. They will continue to lash out as they seek to destroy what is good. Their hearts have been turned for the moment, but your light is the calling and invitation for them to come back home. Proverbs 8:35, whoever finds me finds life and obtains favor from the Lord, but he who fails to find me injures himself. All who hate me love death. I pray for all of you that you be renewed in your faith in Christ. Know that all people are worthy of his love. It's in times like these that you might question why certain things happen the way that they do. I want you to be encouraged today and know that that is when you lean on him just a little bit more. Do not fear, be at ease, and know that he is God.